Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'll explore how to add reviews to your Shopify store and to your products. So to begin with, we need to go to our theme customizer. And now let's see what we can do from here. So while we're on the home page, we can add the reviews as a separate section. You can add this section to any page that you prefer, but for this example, let's stay on the home page. So while I'm here, I'm scrolling down to here and click on Add Section, and let's add the reviews. So here is the added section, and here is how it looks like. So by default, we have 5 reviews, but you can add more if you prefer. So let's start with these 5 reviews. So here you can add the text, the author name, you can add the picture of the author, and change any content that you prefer. So for example, let's make a test review. So we can write down this information, we can name the author, and we can, for example, add a picture of the author. And here's our first review. And we can add content to all of these 5 reviews if we want to. And then keep in mind that you can just click on add review, and add content to all the reviews, and there will be here in your store. By clicking on the settings of the whole section, you can also choose to autoplay, so all the reviews will be interchangeable, and you can also change the autoplay speed if you wanted to change more often. So here are all the instructions that are available for adding reviews to your store. You can, for example, add the same section to your product. For example, you want to click on the product and you want to showcase the reviews down here as well. So we need to do the same steps. We go to the product template. Here we scroll to the add section, and we add the same section here as well. And here we can write other reviews. So these reviews will be different from the reviews we've added before, because this is a unique section for your store. Okay, so besides the reviews section on different pages, you can also have product reviews. So while we're in the default product page, we can go to the product template and go to the drawers. So here, as you can see, we have product reviews, show review button. You can untick it if you want to hide the reviews from your drawers, like here, or you can click on show reviews, and then they will be visible on your store. And you can also change the button label if you prefer. So we need to save our changes to show the reviews, and now let's see how it looks like on your product. So we go to this product, we click on preview to show the product in our store. Here's our product. Here is the drawer, and we see reviews. So keep in mind that if you don't have any supporting apps for reviews, this section will be blank. So if you just simply click on show reviews, this section in your product will be blank. There won't be this information, customer reviews, no reviews yet. It will just be blank. In order to have reviews, to give your clients ability to write down reviews, in order to see these reviews, you need to add an app to your Shopify store. Okay, so we're back to our Shopify admin panel. We need to go to apps and search one specific app, product review. It is a free app that you can easily install from the App Store. Here it is, product reviews, it's free. Let's just add it to our store. And then we'll see how to add reviews and what we as store owners can do with them. So give me a second to install the app now. Okay, so we have the app now. We can return to our product, preview it. So Once we are here, we click on reviews, and as we can see, we have one review. We have it available here because before this video, I've already added one review to show it to you. So here is the review that your client could add. Your client can add even more reviews, like write a review. They, of course, can enter their name, their maybe email. They can choose the rating, 5, 4, whatever stars that they prefer. They can text anything they'd like and then submit this review. So once your other clients open the reviews drawer, they can see all these reviews from your clients. Okay, so once we go back to our Shopify admin panel and we go to the product reviews app, we can see these reviews added here. So as we can see, it's published, the date when it was added, and we can also click on this review and we can choose either to unpublish or to delete the review altogether. And you can also reply to this review as well. So when we go to our product on our store, we can see these reviews here, and also we can choose to show these reviews or not for the product when it's showcased on your homepage as a featured product. So let's go back to our customizer. We go to the homepage, and here we have a section called featured product. You can easily add it by clicking on add section, featured product, and then choose the product that you'd like to show. So now let's return to the one we already have. So here's our featured product. We click on it, and here, as you can see, we can show all the information regarding this product, and we can also see the drawers section. So this is the same section that we had in the default product, and here we can choose to either show reviews or not. So for example, maybe you want to show the reviews only on the specific product page and not on the home page as a featured product, or you can choose to showcase the reviews in the product page and on the home page. So in such case, we'll have this drawer here with the reviews section. So let's save our changes and let's now preview our Shopify store. So I'm here on the home page. I'm scrolling. I'm looking for my featured product. Here it is. Here is the drawer, and I can click on reviews and I can see the latest review that we have. So here is how you add reviews to your products and to your store. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with our support team. We're always here to help. And also don't forget to look through our theme manual. Here are all the information that might be useful for you. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Goodbye.